Thinking of building your own wood fence? We'll show you how to do it right, step by step, from digging the first post hole to sealing the last board. Before you start digging, make sure you have the right tools and materials on hand. Using pressure-treated lumber will help your fence resist rot, insects, and harsh weather. You'll also want tools that can help you build faster and safer, like a post hole digger, a circular saw, and a power drill. Start by planning your layout. Measure and mark your fence line with a string and stakes. Identify where corner posts, line posts, and gates will be. For a strong structure, space posts no more than 8 feet apart. Also, check your local zoning regulations to ensure you're within legal property lines and height restrictions. Now dig your post holes. They should be at least 1/3 the height of your fence, which is about 24 to 30 inches for a standard 6-foot fence. Make each hole about 8 to 12 inches wide. Add 4 to 6 inches of gravel at the bottom for drainage. Place your post, then pour in fast-setting concrete and check for level. Support the post in place until the concrete sets, usually 20 to 40 minutes. Once the posts are solid, it's time to install the horizontal rails. Use 2x4 lumber and attach them to the inside face of each post. For 6-foot fences, install 3 rails, one 6 inches from the top, one 12 inches from the ground, and one in the middle. Always pre-drill to avoid splitting the wood. Now you're ready to install the pickets. Start at one corner post. Use a spacer, like a 1/4-inch board, to keep gaps consistent between pickets. Align the tops with a string line for a straight, clean look. Secure each board with 2 fasteners per rail, per picket. To build a gate, create a square or rectangular frame using 2x4s and add a diagonal brace to prevent sagging. Attach pickets to match your fence, then hang it using heavy-duty gate hinges. Finish with a latch and test the swing. Once your fence is built, protect it from the elements. Use a quality wood stain or sealant rated for exterior use. Apply 1 or 2 coats using a brush, roller, or sprayer. Make sure the wood is dry before sealing, especially if it's pressure treated. And that's your complete wood fence. Custom built, solid, and made to last. Whether it's for privacy, pets, or curb appeal, nothing beats the charm of a well-built wooden fence. Thanks for watching. For more fence tips and expert advice, visit kaonfenceinc.com or give us a call at 781-767-3596. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.